Okay, y'all, so first you want to start with a pair of leggings. It doesn't matter what kind of leggings they are, just as long as they're leggings that fit nice, you know, ones that you like the way that they fit. You want to take the leggings and you want to just fold them in half. You also want to make sure that your fabric is folded double. So you want to take your leggings and you want to lay them down flat. You want to give yourself enough room on each side so that when you cut, you have enough room to cut out on both sides. Okay, so you want to go ahead and mark off how long the leggings are. And then you want to fold the leggings at the knee, because that is where we're going to have our flare begin to flare out. Okay, and I don't have a ruler, so I'm just going to use this painting that my daughter drew. And we're going to start from where the fold of the knee is at. And we're going to draw a line coming down and out, coming diagonally to meet the line that we drew down here. And you want it to go a little bit, you want your diagonal lines to go a little bit further than the line that you drew that was the length of the leggings, because at the end we're going to have to hem the bottom of the pants, and so you want it to be just a little bit longer so that the hem doesn't take away from the length of the pants. And so now we're just going to trace around the leggings, and again you want to maybe draw a half of an inch around the perimeter of the leggings, and this is just giving us room to sew. Y'all don't judge me. I know they have little chalk pencils that, you know, you use when you're sewing and drawing the fabric to make your lines more visible. I couldn't find mine, but yeah, this pencil shall do for now. And there we have one leg for our pants. So now we're going to go ahead and cut this out. Okay, so after we've cut that first piece, you want to flip it over. And then cut out another piece. Now this fabric is easy to work with because it's stretchy, it's a stretchy material, it's the same color on both sides of the fabric, so we don't have to worry about, you know, flipping the right side in or the right side out when it comes to the parts where you have to do so if you were using like a fabric that was a different color on the opposite side or a different texture on the opposite side. So what we're going to do now is we're going to sew along these long straight ends right here, along both of those sides right there. Okay guys, so now since we have sewn this outside of both legs of the pants, we want to go ahead and we want to sew the inside seam, and we're going to just sew right up into the crotch area, okay? So we're going to sew from the bottom part of the pants all the way up to right here. So now since we have both outside and inside seams sewn together, we're gonna take one, we're gonna keep it on the outside like this, and we're gonna take the other one and we're gonna fold it right side out. And we're gonna take this one and we're gonna stick it inside of this one, so both of the right sides should be facing each other. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to line up the seams. So this is what you should have when you're done. We have both seams lined up, and we have the right sides, both right sides facing each other. So what we're going to do is this whole U-shaped part right here, we're going to sew this whole piece right here. We sewed the U shape together, and so now I'm going to go ahead and pull it all apart. So now we're going to go ahead and work on the band of the pants. I'm just going to use this big piece in the middle right here for the band. Sew down here, I'm going to sew down here. So now since we got those sides sewn, you want to go ahead and fold it back in half all the way around. Like so. And so this should be the right side out. So this is how it's going to look, okay? And so you want to fold this down as if it's already attached to the pants. Fold it down. So you want to make sure that the seam of the pants and the seam of the band are lined up perfectly. So when you flip it over, it's still lined up perfectly. So we're going to take this whole circle and sew around to connect the band to the pants. So I know we said that we were going to do a hem at the bottom of the pants, but it's a fairly clean cut and they fit her like perfectly. So I'm just going to leave it like this. And also because the thread that I have doesn't match the fabric, so it wouldn't look right at all if I was to sew a hem at the bottom of these pants. And I could use stitch with thread and just iron the hem in, but like I said, they fit her perfectly and they're falling like perfectly lengthwise on her. So I'm just gonna leave them like this. And here we have a pair of bell bottoms